Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is spring rolls without using ready-made roll sheets. Spring rolls are a popular starter or snack in Indo-Chinese cuisine. In this video, we'll be making spring rolls from the scratch. The spring roll sheets can either be made by dough method or batter method. Today, I'll be using the batter method to make the spring roll sheets. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and do like, comment and share. So let's get started. To a mixer jar, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of corn flour along with half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 to 1.5 cup of water and blend everything well. Adjust the amount of water accordingly. The batter should be of flowing consistency. It should neither be too thick nor too thin. Now grease a pan with very little oil. The flame has to be low. Spread the batter evenly like this. It is very important to maintain the temperature of the pan. The pan should not be very hot. After 1 to 2 minutes, remove it from the pan and transfer it to a plate. Now bring it down to room temperature before adding the filling. I have added the regular samosa filling. Click the link provided here for the recipe of the filling. Now roll it inwards like this. I am using the same batter to secure the sides. Just a little and just fold it this way. And it's done. Now let's make a few more. Spread the batter. Remember to maintain the temperature of the pan. It should not be very hot. Once done, it will start to leave the pan. Now remove from the pan. Transfer it to a plate. Don't forget to cool it down before adding the filling. Now roll it inwards like this. Secure the sides. And it's done. Now dip the prepared rolls in a corn flour slurry. Just mix corn flour with some water and your slurry is done. Now remove it gently. Place it over the breadcrumbs. And roll it in the breadcrumbs like this. Don't skip this step for that extra crisp and crunch of spring rolls. And now they are ready to be fried. Likewise, I have made the remaining. Now heat oil in a kadai. Once the oil turns hot, gently drop in the rolls. Don't overcrowd them. Just 3 or 4 in one batch. Fry them on medium flame. Once done on this side, let's flip them to the other. And fry them until they turn golden brown in color. Once done, remove them on a paper towel. And they are ready. Our delectable spring rolls are now ready to be served. These are perfect as a snack. They can also be served for dinner along with a bowl of delicious soup or noodles. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Dear viewers, I have put a lot of efforts and hard work in all my videos. Do appreciate the same and keep me going. If you like this recipe, then do give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided in the description box. Keep showering your love like you always do. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Happy cooking!